Hello everyone. Question is a cloud administrator is managing a container environment. The application team has complained that they need to manually restart containers in the event of a failure. Which solution can the administrator implement to solve this issue? Option A Kubernetes. Option B VMware vSphere High Availability. Option C VMware vSphere Fault Tolerance. Option D Prometheus. Correct answer is option A. Question is what is the purpose of the VMware Cloud on AWS Compute Gateway CGW? Option A Tier 1 router that handles routing and firewalling for the VMware vCenter server and other management appliances running in the software-defined data center SDDC. Option B A Tier 1 router that handles workload traffic that is connected to routed compute network segments. Option C A Tier 0 router that handles routing and firewalling for the VMware vCenter server and other management appliances running in the software-defined data center SDDC. Option D A Tier 0 router that handles workload traffic that is connected to routed compute network segments. Correct answer is option B. Question is a cloud administrator is managing a VMware cloud on AWS environment connected to an on-premises data center using IPsec VPN connection. The administrator is informed of performance issues with applications replicating data between VMware Cloud and the on-premises data center. The total bandwidth used by this replication is 3.8 Gbps. What should the administrator do to improve application performance? Option A Deploy VMware HCX. Option B Deploy AWS Direct Connect. Option C Deploy a Layer 2 VPN connection. Option D Contact VMware support to request more bandwidth for IPsec VPN connection. Correct answer is option B. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Question is with which solution is the cloud administrator interfacing when defining storage policies in a VMware Cloud Software Defined Data Center SDDC? Option A VMware Virtual Volumes vVols. Option B VMware vSAN. Option C ISCSI. Option D VMware Virtual Machine File System VMFS. Correct answer is option B. Question is when configuring hybrid linked mode, what is the maximum supported latency between an on-premises environment and a VMware cloud on AWS software defined data center SDDC? Option A 200 milliseconds round trip. Option B 250 milliseconds round trip. Option C 150 milliseconds round trip. Option D 100 milliseconds round trip. Correct answer is option D. Question is a cloud administrator is in the process of troubleshooting a non-compliant object. How can the administrator change a VM storage policy for an ISO image? Option A modify the default VM storage policy and recreate the ISO image. Option B. Modify the default VM storage policy. Option C. Apply a new VM storage policy. Option D. Attach the ISO image to a virtual machine. Correct answer is option C. Question is, which four steps must a cloud administrator take to deploy a new private cloud in Azure VMware solution? Choose four options. Option A. Identify the maximum number of hosts needed for future capacity. Option B. Identify the desired availability zone. Option C. Identify a management CIDR of size. Option D. Open a support request with Microsoft Azure requesting capacity. Option E. Identify a management CIDR of size. Option F. Identify the desired region. Option G. Identify the current number of hosts needed. Correct answer is option B, C, D, and option G. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe.